Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to sign up and start using Claude AI, which is one of the competitors to ChatGPT, and it's absolutely free to use. So all you have to do if you want to sign up for Claude AI and get access to it is to open up Claude AI. Then you will arrive at this page. Then we have to sign up for Claude AI. So in this case I will select continue with Google, but you can also add your email address here. And as you can see, in this case, I got this error message that unfortunately Claude AI is only available in the US and UK, and they are working hard to expand other regions soon. Fortunately, even as you can see, I'm not in the US or the UK, but I was able to sign up for Claude AI. So all you have to do is get a VPN service and change your IP address to a US or UK IP address. If you do not have a VPN subscription yet, I would highly recommend to get ExpressVPN. There are three main reasons. It's working for Claude AI because I have used ExpressVPN to sign up for Claude AI outside of the US. And if you use the link in the description below, you can get a 30-day money-back guarantee. And if you click on start your trial today here, you're also gonna get 3 months off for free from their annual subscription using this special deal. So if you do not have a VPN yet, you can use ExpressVPN to change your IP address. So all you have to do is basically add your email address and get this 3 months off special deal. And once you signed up for ExpressVPN, all you have to do is change your IP address to an American or UK IP address. And once you change your IP address, refresh the browser. As you can see, we have been taken back to the landing page. So click on continue with Google again, add your Google account you want to sign up for Claude AI. And now as you can see, we do not get the error message. All we have to do is add our name and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Then click on continue here. And now as you can see, we have received access to Claude AI. So click on next, 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 then click on finish. And now as you can see, we have successfully signed up for Claude AI, and now we're going to be able to interact with Claude AI. So as I mentioned, if you're outside of the US and UK, you can use ExpressVPN to change your IP address to an American IP address, and you will be able to sign up for Claude AI. And now we can start using Claude AI. So it works pretty much like ChatGPT. If you want to learn more about Claude AI, make sure to check out my YouTube channel where I have a ton of tutorials of Claude AI and other AI tools as well. So ChatGPT, Google Bard, and a lot more. So make sure to check out my YouTube channel because more tutorials are coming up as well. But all in all, this is how you can sign up for Claude AI and start using Claude AI for absolutely free from anywhere around the world.